Check. The Husky left the Aztec a wreck. Bleed blue, spray points like a tech. No surprise, one was the Bayou Barbie's cousin. After the W's, he was buzzing. For real, it was like a consolation prize after the Lady Huskies lost before my eyes. But after that loss, the men suddenly played harder, tearing it up like Drew Barrymore, fire starter. Once they went to the Elite Eight, I was like, it's still not too late. And when they advanced to Final Four, I thought, imagine if they even the score. The Stores Nation had made it vital for their Huskies to take home a title. Then when they won the semifinal, it seemed like an easy tap spinal. The final win, an answer to a prayer. Nothing like winning, truth or dare.